Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today called Komradz. Komradz is a utility-based Generation 1 collection of a multi-planetary exploration system powered by gems with ships, creatures, and breeding dynamics. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called komradz.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. In today's video, we're going to look at what this particular play to earn game is all about, what this NFT is about, and why this game is going to be one of the biggest game in the industry. Komradz Generation 1. As you can see, this NFT, it is a very unique NFT. The way it's developed, the way it's presented, and the artistic approach that's taken to ensure that this is a very differentiated NFT in the market. If you're familiar with different NFTs in the NFT space, you can clearly see the amount of artistic approach that's gone into creating this particular NFT. The community obviously is a very strong element when it comes to komradz.com, and you can put your email address over here and you can submit in order to get updated newsletters. Besides that, you can join their Discord and their Twitter. If you want to get reliable information about this particular NFT or any particular NFT for that matter, you have to go to their Twitter and join their Twitter, because that is the place that you'll get reliable information from. I've done a ton of different reviews of NFTs and play to earn games, and I tell everyone in every single video that the Discord is the place to get reliable information about the NFT and about the play to earn games that are available in the NFT space. And obviously Twitter is another most important element that you have to follow, because you get updates regularly from them. Looking at their roadmap, which I found very interesting, is in the first phase, the listing on Magic Eden took place with a Discord and the Discord sales bot that came to existence, with the rarity pages and more legendary releases that were done. In phase 2, the Komradz ship was released, each vessel having different gem capacity. Gem is the token for Komradz, and the most rare and unique ships will hold the higher amount of gems. This allows you to travel to distant planets. The higher the gem capacity of a ship that has, the further you can travel into deep space, and the more secrets you will discover. Different ships can reach different planets. A more powerful ship with a higher gem capacity can reach rarer planets. In phase 3, the gem token utility is released. Each day, your Komradz will accumulate more and more gems, which plays a critical role in the Komradz world, like powering the ships for the interdimensional travel, as well as the currency for the Komradz world. With the 4th phase, using your Komradz and gems to power your ships, you will travel to faraway planets and discover rare creatures that you can capture, trade, breed, and evolve into the multi-planetary system. The more powerful a ship you have, the further you can travel and the more rare creatures you will find. Certain Komradz with specific traits will be able to only visit certain planets and capture those rare creatures depending on the planet's atmosphere. For example, the flame Komradz will only walk on the flame planet to capture the flame creatures. With the 5th phase, the virus Generation 2, after a Komradz stumbles upon a planet in deep sea, he gets infected with an outer space virus that he brings back into Komradz world. The virus starts to spread, in which you will learn the true power of the gems. And obviously this is a very interesting element that they have brought in, and obviously all Komradz are one of one. They will have the abilities based on different attributes that are assigned to them, and the attributes will give each Komradz a different ability. And some Komradz will have higher gem earning power, some Komradz will travel faster between planets, and some attributes of Komradz will allow you to visit unique and rare planets, while some Komradz attribute will allow you to capture and breed certain creatures. So obviously there's an ecosystem that's gone into developing each one of them. Now, talking about the core team, and obviously one of the most important elements that you got to keep in mind when you are thinking about investing in NFT, actually putting your hard-earned money into an NFT. As I said, I am not a financial advisor, guys, but I've done a lot of overviews of different NFTs, and the most important thing that I have come across is the fact that any successful NFT needs to have a very strong core team, a team that understands the NFT space, that understands the crypto space, a team that knows how to create strategies and understands how to implement and execute them. Now, Komradz is a particular NFT that has that team. From the founder and the artist, who has 15 years experience as an artist, heavily involved in some of the first online art communities as DeviantArt. He has 8+ years of business experience and is a passionate driven to make every project that is involved into a success. With Callista, who is the business developer, Callista has been involved in the online world for the past 5 years, launching and scaling 3 brands to 7 figures, earning just in the first 12 months. So obviously, from the community wizard and the Discord manager, all these individuals are people who understand the crypto space, are individuals that understand how things are done. From the graphic motions, from the head monitor and the full stack developers, these individuals understand how strategies need to be built and special strategies that need to be built just for the NFT space and how those strategies need to be scaled. Combining all that experience together and obviously having a project that is well thought out, that is a recipe for success. Now, obviously, what is the supply for the Komradz? That's a big question people tend to ask. The supply is 3,500, which consists of animations, unique 1-to-1, stills, and legendary and rares. And obviously, when is the mint date? It is on 9th of April on komradz.com, so you can put the link and actually come and check it out. Now, is the team doxed? Yes, the team has been doxed by Alpha Verify. You can check the doxing certificate and it is available over here, which you can check out. And what is the mint price going to be? The mint price is going to be a flat rate of 1.75 Solana, and obviously the artist is Davis himself, and he has developed this absolutely brilliant project and it's put together in such a manner that obviously this is going to be one of the biggest NFTs that's going to be available on network. Now, if you're thinking about investing in this particular NFT, you can come over to komradz.com and go over to buy over here and click on it. When you click on it, a link will open to Magic Eden. Now, in Magic Eden, the floor price is 0.90 and a volume of 1,475 with an average sale price of 0.93 with a total listed count of 347. As I scroll down, you can see different NFTs that are available for grabs. So if you're thinking about investing in this particular NFT, head over to magiceden.io and check them out, or go on to the website of Komradz NFT and check it out. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and share these videos with your friends and with your families on Facebook and WhatsApp so more people can benefit from it. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always comment in the comment section below on Facebook or on YouTube, or you can drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.